Kevin Taylor, dear, oh no.
Nadia, a man Jimmy extraordinary say of a pounds with Jimmy.
Kevin Taylor lost court case against Okatachi. Na Kevin Taylor the maf talk NDC for no ma Jimmy illiterate for no mudinachi.
Kevin Taylor Kwasiato
Penyah. Fugitive from justice sitting in America, threatening the judge. How dare you cannot even read one sentence of law?
Ebusame said this week it will be a very long week for Kevin Taylor and the fullest so far as Afrifa winning a defamatory case against Kevin Taylor and the Penyah and your consent. Says I'm looking say Almighty Twene Jonas. For Adom, any social media is especially TikTokers almost abe clash with Kevin Taylor after say Lucy on the Penyah and Lucy case against Okatachi Afrifa mensa busu. Now in this video one and someone for much the Ekafa Kevin Taylor home. They are treating us Eka fan and there are other TikTokers who be a Eka Edifa Kevin a comedy Taylor. I high Penyah block media. Best was any video. Over like a video, not that room. Over subscribe button, never click a notification upon the latest update. Now better the wide and their mammy ever comments and she must have password. No, she will not for any be actual. Said in your name Kevin Taylor. Oh dear, tell with passion. Kevin Taylor to me, dear, tell my a come say. But I say, oh, every man of person Kevin Taylor dinner temp. Did do a beer them, but a free fire catcher and the papa say, oh, enough flowers. Uncle never in the backing vocalist. I catch never say, oh, enough flowers. Now, a free fire car say, Kevin Papa a irresponsible father, cause I didn't know, oh, yeah, or him out tell you. Now, Oba, Kevin Taylor, ADD amount for them, and the table at the man. Kevin Taylor Papa issue a free fire. I don't want an amount of 10 million Ghana to this kind of 100 billion. Emma say, we know 2023 issue see court, judge or transference, Justice Father Amidenchi General all the time assembly so what I say from 2023 na BC and run every for me I say court at to assembly to atune I'm after the court at to assembly to Twene no court award 80 million I'm gonna say Kevin Taylor and papa omo interest carry efmo or no every na enye empata sika Emma do by kwan social media for kwan a reply on that Emma Kevin Taylor so ebe or doesn't obey damage control but amfa
yes bomva kwa ticket ahohoro ne nsa o TV so wa bodam wa ahohoro wonsa what they want start to be okay? Would you try? There are three things that you encounter in life. One you bubuenia obe bodam, one bodam obe. Sa nyoma miensa we. You these people you cannot escape it. So would di atro. Ma catch them. If you want the Bible move for, that be bibian sisa yo. Would di atro. Would we need to edi atro. Because of okotisa yaka na ya oya nyoma miensa de tumi to asase so ida se obewu ida se obebodam anase obeyibubuani na Gh10m na ye de wo ho ahwe etufo enti these three things that the Bible has quoted and said you cannot run away from it. It does not matter obahuhuro nsa o obahuhuro tuo ubeko jail and sa nyoma miensa Bible aka no you will go through it.
We said no what in kind of make post what you said the justice court transfer so on set up on you careful I say there's over threaten just into our threatening we are I then I will say buza say every for amfa evidence be a threaten court at as not that wow crowd with some evidence Kevin wow was some evidence it just shut up now concerning a threat here or threaten justice no for as much evidence can be to them.
He was sued for defamation by a person who should not even be talking about defamation, given all what is happening. But that's okay. Ghana is a democracy. Everyone can sue, can they? So he was sued for defamation, and he won the defamation case. The defamation suit was dismissed. And then comes this fugitive from justice sitting in America, putting on posts threatening the judge, threatens the judge that Justice Elfrida Ami Denchi of General Jurisdiction 5, please sit up. How dare you cannot even read one sentence of law? You don't know anything. Your last education was SS2. Then you come and threaten a judge. It's the same thing he did, and he threatened the justice. He showed contempt to Justice Cheba and the contempt is waiting for him, and that's why he comes to Ghana, he has to run away. Now he's threatening a judge, a female judge for that matter. Look at you. You achieved nothing. You are empty-headed. You will not admire a female judge so that the young woman in Ghana will see you are threatening a female judge. Let me see the photograph of the judge and let's hear what we are hearing tonight. We are hearing Justice Bafuboni, who is the acting Chief Justice. My Lord, we are hearing that this guy has threatened you and called you to threaten you that you should discipline Justice Elfrida Denchi of the General Jurisdiction 5, a female judge who has today dismissed a defamation application brought by somebody who this guy is interested in, and the judge dismissed the application completely in favor of Afrifa. This was a defamation in Accra High Court, and this guy who says that he controls the whole of Ghana because NDC are in power, he controls the whole of Ghana, sits in America, and is bragging to people that he has called Justice Bafoboni, the acting Chief Justice. I cannot believe it. I don't believe it. But he says that he has phoned Justice Bafoboni and threatened Justice Bafoboni, and Justice Bafoboni has responded to the fact that Justice Elfreda Denchi of the General Jurisdiction will be disciplined. My goodness. My goodness. I don't understand that. I don't believe it. I know Justice Bafoboni somewhat. I don't think he's malleable to some of these things. I don't think so. But this is the story making the rounds in media houses tonight. That, hey, Charlie, the guy says he's called Justice Bafoboni, he's threatened people in Jubilee House, he's threatened everybody, and so Justice Bafoboni is going to take disciplinary action against Justice Elfreda Denchi. Elfreda Denchi, nobody will take disciplinary action against you for coming to a judicial decision. What does that mean? What is Ghana becoming off to? What's happening? Why should somebody whose his last level of education was SS2? There's no problem with that. You can finish at SS1 and become somebody great. There's no problem with that. But it just means that you don't have expertise in a certain area. You can have expertise in another area. Your last education was SS2. And then you come and threaten a female judge that he has dismissed an application brought by your relative against Afrifa. So you are threatening her that she will be sacked, and you put a Facebook and tell her to sit up. You are not even embarrassed. You criminal blackmailing people. You are threatening a judge. You, the same person who has a contempt sitting against you, Justice Bafoboni knows that. This guy has a contempt application in Chebafor's court to answer. Chebafor is a court of appeal judge. On that occasion, he sat as an additional high court judge. And Justice Bafoboni knows that Chebafor has a contempt application against this fugitive from justice. It is for that reason that some of the NDC ministers told him when he first came, I understand he's come a second time, told him when he first came that, look, this guy has to leave because there's a contempt application in Justice Chebafor's court. I understand that Gh10m and Nana Tudazi have been trying hard to find a way around it. But tonight he says that he's threatening Justice Bafoboni and told Justice Bafoboni what to do. That's what he said. He has told Justice Bafoboni what to do. And so Justice Elfreda Denchi of the High Court, General Jurisdiction 5, will be disciplined and will be punished. We should not sit down for that to happen. We will not sit down for that to happen.
And of it, the whole issue said Kevin Tera I never Penyah a Lucy case against Okatachi Afrifa mention any TikTok Montreal Sudia. TikTokers any Twene Jonas Oma fire Kevin Tera hard one. I'm a big grab come Haman and this phone.
Ghana for na Penyah me who dear me who anybody who have caption that year. I miss a quaticase papa di phobia na. Me tis 2023 quaticase papa the educated Afrifa de Barobos, Agona Yame, Edin for quarter second Afrifa good and Moasi, or 10,000 Ghana cities and Cananum. Courts next na Assembly Sunday where the Assembly di Marada, Agona Yame, or the Afrifa. The was answer award the Afrifa 8,000 Ghana cities. Any quaticase assemble be the radio sway, Mitricaya Mia. Na quaticase baby court, judge, I watch na assembly should be my David Freddy, well book rank. Afrifa no one quaticase no or don't. And an papa so be Gh10m Guasia we Edia Camo, and the quaticase Gh10m Guasia to a bussy, Gh10m Guasia, the Moody, 2025 video, when you mark at the Gaziabusi and the proud. He can take Afrifa, Agunayami, Nadia Grana, who have bussy. Quaticase, means and you know,
Kevin Taylor Kwasiato. Oh papa, can I call you court case? Na no nimse nkwadi okateche Afrifa na nkwa kwenye skevi okateche Afrifa wana. Muri visa okateche Afrifa wa lawyer ni. Okateche Afrifa wa lawyer o.
Kevin Taylor.
Kevin Taylor dear, no.
Na dear Emma Jimmy ne ya extraordinary say Papa's way Jimmy. Just say wo papa Jimmy address ya dimpanifo atem enintini abrempon atem say when Jimmy aka hwe anja oba no. When Jimmy aka bibi anja ne ba no. Na se oba ne se court. For Afrifa sin the court wa. Na wo Jimmy aka kwasi in the court. Ama ohini mu ayatwe wa na wo. What be that? Jimmy, I don't think far and I don't think madness.
Oh my dear.
Enya Hindia. Ya wa Hindia. who's of your friend to man or the idea actually today? Alomia to the has why you're here now. Yes, sir. Comfy, I call my mammy.
But what? But you're so I have on top. Now to say,
and the man way.
On my way, and every million you have my coordinate to see Simone.
Hey!
As you do, more to say, but you the California. I'm here. Now, if I buy, you have a better before. I'm riding young Coponia. It's a guy been telling him quarter call, the papa.
Enti adi na wo yes substitution akofa yi adi yi levi akofa di levi aba umodam jo mama enti ja jimin ya sa me this week ya mebo pa ma obi atetewa po uwa ni ya di abruwa na be ma mpanyin abruwa ndi oba me ametuma chinchim ne nsa amu ayo kuro ni ye enti su yansa Kwasiato ruwa jimi munyimi ya nkohiwu oba kwasi broni krom how many years yanto petro muda petro fala ontu wa how to Ghana adentina bibini ajimi adentina bibini ajimi adentina bibini ya Kwasia etijo mama we aboa count tip di yisa Kwasia 11 free na fe sami jamfi $1 million car no ane ai dollars na egu ni car boot no kan kwasi safa solve dum so no na ja jimi ni say ya sesa sika na guka mu che e ma kromfo mu sika ni bidada ya sesa sika na to $1 million cars but ya ni sika e be ye dum so nti ya be magana ni na ho kire na wato abase mu mabia adwuma no mu mi adwuma mu disika no so supply pad abra pad na wo supply in China ni na o mana ye o ba wo di jimi ehunyansa ko bie factory no kura o Ghana na Ghana fo ana na ye pad o kromu o ana Ghana fo na ye pad ne bra mu nuama na o mu de hye o mu twem a enu mom kura no is a form of job creation enti kan fa Kwasia bie factory na jai say every week bi ade $500 million e koma broni say on fa pad mra na fa kwahye nkofo matwem na mampanyin nsom twe mampanyin som oman mampanyin nsom twe mampanyin som oman enti wo hu atwasem saa hwe ahye woni akofa ye na nsia nim guase awaje awo ayini ni shepu ni afa nipa na wie ami twankire ko bibini nya so beka meboa afa ma wie na atu ye atu dia metwan foforo ba esisa nipa na de omko eti you don't gotta worry about say epoda kuro no muti epo atwa kuro no ho ahia ntimi nya mintimi ngere around the town. I gotta pass here, I gotta go here. Obviously, Gh10m lost court case against Okatachie. Na Gh10m the maftok NDC for no ma Jimmy illiterate for no mudinachi. Me class okase oba be fame e de mako I take 24 hours. Anya fe na me chill or heaven me da me powerhouse ono nya ka bi mun tinada Contempt mo be wu. BMW we eketuampo. Don't get me wrong, me Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Ferrari, all my luxury cars, BMW car me Kwasiato ho and no crowd here and yasem ko to atampu kura nya bi mun tinada America. So ade ase enti omuhumia ne Kwasiato no mu deport nkofo no imi ayifo no ice for no muhumia yes boss no maselu to me no ko mu nyina nim se me free krom no ma pretend se omunim no ma be ka kire me wonu ay ko fa immigrant fo bi omusiyo matema ya de mo bo adwuma enso die enti no mu ntime ka nkwa asem kire because mu suro me nti wo Gh10m jimi wabodam sienyansa Kwasia the same way nyam Gh10m na ya boy hypocrite the same way Akufo-Addo de yilevi ba no peto nyime obedi na tem e die enti na dwomama Kwasia mpanyin de yilevi aba ontime nkasa because nyina selfish Mama buana sise omagu payroll nti your taxpayers money no di tua ka nti ntime nka no kre and selfish people the here say beba be twa ntro saa we Captain Smart Kwasia mpanyina no peto anwme no odi Akufo-Addo atem bisa say mama by the enti no de yilevi aba ontime nkasa because wakojiska selfish people omafu na hia they are not generous they are not there for Ghanaians they are there for their stomach. Captain Smart pa and Akufo-Addo na wo so a kasamre de TV telephone on your TV muni twa asere Kwasiafo stupid people mo afia fi Kwasiafo de mu ye generalisa mampanyin bi bana onye na mbedi na tem afoforo so bana ono so nya amuni na tem da bi ma jimi ma kwaji sika sa sika na adwoma ma etuatua ne nyina ka obi na onya sika stop dum so no cause kwasiafo we nyina de o magufie na wo tu omuka Bekemtela jimi fo we no akobie TV ama no every month wo tua $5,000 anse no ato aduane ama one ne nkwasiama adi wa brochire o mane so ne nkopa adwuma nye obetimi akoye wo mata adwuma onye bafan onye apache obetimi akoye adwuma de $20 per hour enso joma ma wa jimi nti wa hyehyɛ yesika de ma omo enti sa no ma we nyina kan obi na sa meja mfia sesa de aka e de tutofie ma hyɛwofo won ya meche na ansansani dali kwasiaba we na joma ma kotofie ama no on sa no ma we nyina kan obi e na ama munye sika na mo de pressure ni begu Ghana fo so ba se mo live life nyansa ni wo twa dada meme amene yire me nkwa me ho se me kofa hye woni twa bi akotu baabi me amene yiri o me ne yire ne mpna me ne hye won se me rush your baabi dabi because I'm focused. The goal is to be rich in the United States. And guess what? I got my BMW blue one. Isn't this beautiful? I got my BMW M8 competition powerhouse. Because the goal is to be rich. And yet the goal is to be for money and found court. Now there be a pressure down so. Now you don't have child support. What you are saying? Maybe a money in a draw and come a dream. At the end, church, some sa, there be a one of my journey, no matter says you can't the mama, Gagrada Kwasiabaya, Samijan fee white $10,000 the man one time. Besides Samijan fee, how many $10,000 no watching? Nebi says Samijan fee and Nana 4 months, 5 months ago, 6 months ago. Now obey Sika to Adiania, I just said, your mama and Ibrahim mama sending this car. And Tiabansi, I was done overnight millionaire. I want me chase a bundle of dollars. Oh, shall no more when I can't be a motor scanigu, Murianam, the Jimmy Abbott, and I say, here, no, no. 1 year, you may, our teacher ni, or nurse ni, I ain't Trianica, your mamma Kwasiato by on Tuamako. Or no, or on your dang San Jessica and Kotiaka Scabo, then San Quadjumana Untianica. Swung. Driver for nyina kawo nafo ombeye sesi ama kawo nafo until at the end of the day no onye adwuma ni wie na odiskani na ekotofu e obeti sesi be wie no na one kapro de koto aduane ama na yire ne madi enti eno na mama saa de we ne yetoma awa na ase yetoma o say o ba be ye o man ni Akufo-Addo de ne kura de is far better than o de we o Akufo-Addo de no was say me nko send this car 11 farming men konkoto chacha betina 11 farming ba we de me sori me de me baba ko school me ko PTA meeting ni nyina me tua ma amasika and na 1 gallon bia me tua $4 later no mako 4 and ma anya 1 gallon enti later ba ko bia $1 1 cedi enti later 4 no 1 enti ka bia ka keto we kura no e for 15 gallons enti 15 gallons no calculate, let me do the calculation well and let me show to my people. Let me do the calculation well for you guys to see. Your mama, we are kwasia. Kafa kwasia mo free to force na munya jimi no na mukotwa jimi semwem. Na nti mu ya kromfo nti wanse man kan kire obi no anse ade chinya me kura nkofo frefrem se be di o matemo no o makofa deal via banyina na menyin ni because ye di Akufo-Addo mo de ko parliament eme ye koto so abanse no mutimi be wi ani panti mo ya kromfo nti kululu na ma fa tira bribe nkwasiafo na gu parliament e tira nyansafo ni magimifo no na ma fa tira kulai na mo akọ pass ade a mo ntimi amekan kire the general public no anse mo ya criminals ti kululu na mu be wi aye back door and more stupid people. You think it's a joke? Your mama me see obi be ponti una ma for more security wu a be sio wo de mama hu so kwasia be abetena ze o treatment panyini jama wu ni twasere ka se kwasia me nam se o momra ma ban na menim so magimi ma ban na magimi a meye mo adwuma kwasiafo nyame anka mu win election nya Kevin Taylor aboan yo no kasa obi anim say mama ni sika so nkasa oni captain smart mu nyina obi anim say sika no maje memenyi obi aka pre wagimi unim nyansa me hypo atofo se ba ya na oye miracle da bia na me praise no even though say magimi amakoma Kevin Taylor kraman ni sika say o medwa na num so be deport me enso da bia na me hypo no. Let's take a look about the amount Kwasiato one person omoje omo nipa until let's see say $1 biano look say I liter bia 1 liter bia 4 and amount 1 gallon until fan say 1 gallon biano 4 cedis and that's all until 4 cedis no times 15 gallons of fele car ketekete 4 cylinder car na 15 gallons until times 15 no o fele car bia obetua 60 Ghana cedis ama John Mahama 60 Ghana cedis e di ama John Mahama 60 Ghana cedis e di ama John Mahama o fele car ke 20 omo cars akese tipa truck no mo fele 50 gallons no 24 times 50 I'm feeling 50 gallons no. I'm feeling car ba ku bia ombe tia 2 million na dia majo mama. I'm feeling car ba ku bia ombe tia 2 million na dia majo mama. Enti VIP nom any bus nom ne omo Reno. Any sa kasa kese no. O kon kan a na so feeling 2 times a. O feeling ba ku bia from Kumasi to Linda Dog. Obetia 2 million amajo mama from Linda Door to Circle obetia 2 million tifan say okwa akra otua o say 4 point o say 1 gallon is 4.5 liter na say more than it's not even 4 okay 4.5 na say bro form po and ever say o fele okwa akra na say 4.5 4.5 times na 50 gallons times 50 what you say obetua 2,025,000 cedis and if I say driver ni need to kwanyako nkran na say ofele kan twice and say no waduru nkran na onko duru no watua 5 million e dia majo mama hwem kwasi asem mama we scammer mama we kronfo oh shepu na san be fa nkofo foforo ma hu antwa shepu na be fa nkofo foforo your mama we a scammer chale I show na no den see sama na banti ma mentina me BMW num na AC ni Miami kakra amema AC ni Miami your mama we a kronfo yeah your mama we a kronfo wo be ku Ghana fo your mama me say for security more nya mema obi aba po asa obi antimi nkasa we a criminal tuni mafa kwase akotwa sa Gh10m num we a suicide mission u be ku Ghana fo Gh10m Kwasiato powerhouse na sparking chale mamima isi ni miami na fifiri na temeno mi tikura ya me ya mama nyina ni sie na ehwona no oden hi your mama we are zaman pa we are kronfo we are criminal obi ansoma otwadie mu diskani nyina atoto efia ma hyewofu ntimo kyerem ntimo be wia Ghana fo mabodam meme wakote me kote kura bereche mu de yesema bonkokura enso me nkodi obi a me mui kwasia enti echese wa mo adwaman a wa mfa sika na ntoto fia ma hyewofu a wunwu enti aden na magimi eti Ghana fo na emra no mo mra metua mo expenditure na jama magimi on abra ye gold timber diamond manganese bauxite aluminium ye wo bibia wo wiase e manipa ye bia ni nyina enso mudi magimi jama mo yale ti do mama jan Kwasiato no NDC fo nyina mo support nyina mu ni twa asere ko sa na dwoboja meme na meka che Twene Jonas say meme ma esi ni mia me kakra because e hye won de me obi so Kwasia bi Kevin Taylor will bring you to Ghana this year. I mean, Jimmy, the other na monso ma Jimmy sa Moyesa obi anim se moye moa. Nipa no obi na hwe no. Jomama Kwasiampeni na the taxpayers money na or the be you krum kwan no. Or the abie TV amani so ntena so ntwantro ma no. Ono Jomama Kwasia na ne santo aduane maniji. Wo ya boa. Sa Jomama ne pesika e de akohwe Kevin Taylor ne manti o se wo Kwasia na wo be kontokwa ama no. Wo ba betua sika o kofro car driver fo no be yere ajo se wo fro car na tua 1 million na wo ba betua 1.5. What you say adwuma a wo ye ntu akatua ma o. Se adwuma kro na wo ye na ebi kro wakatua mai. Now do Kwasia be kontokwa ama mo wo ya boa memeti America o. I'm enjoying being rich. Me da BMW mu M division powerhouse car. Your mama kura nya bi mu ntina da kopem tam obewu. Enum na meteme ne how bia we asinti Jimmy. Obi se wear seat belt. Da bi de mpena me ya brofo ni suro me. De mpena me ya wo krom a. So enti of course my mom coffee ne kakra na me cool me mo. High quality coffee. Enti Kwasia Kevin Taylor ni dwana no mo nyo bia o me mani so a o peme ni matwa picture. Me me superstar Kevin Taylor peme ni matwa picture. Sana Jomama no kure peme ni matwa picture. O mo nyo bia o mani so a. Enti Kwasia ka betie no kure. What you say? Joma Akufo Adom ba ya no mu wie nipa no. Omo mo de no wankotua sika se me send sika akomo obi anya nwia obetima atena oman num the whole year na Akufo Adom nya nwia oda. But when it there petrol no se omote so ebe 215 a won ade eche na petrol ne bo ekọ 17 20 30 100 Jomama sika na ekọ soro nti the more na petrol price ekọ soro nyina no na won so o ye den o ye obi se his in law na me in law no agimi a at the end of the day no me in law no se wanye kuro ni ya be ma kronfo adoso Nkwasiam na wodi abai ebe ma obi kura anya ka ntu kwan bio because esi ano a wo ye sa no o say oman no oman na wo say no oman na wo say no akronfo be doso because me Jomama buy nkofo hamia se electoral commission nyina omkoto aba eye kampe eboa maye to aba e ma Jomama ontua omuka on electoral commission agimifo nyina ntua omuka nurse fo ye ntua omuka teacher fo ye ntua omuka Jomama ontua omuka but utimi nya $50 million edema jena na abro after private jet mkodware o private jet. So tim Kwasia semwe, does that make sense? Sa private jet ni sika no ebetimi atua Ghana fo nyina aka ni nyina Captain Smart mo ne Kwasia fo na egu TV so no o mo nimpa so man kasa. Oh, and they are there for their own selfish reason. They are not there for any Ghana need their benefit. And why are you wasting the money? Now when ministers near appointees bebrebe we nyina obi akoto lesos over $200,000. Sami Jemfi Kwasia we or $500,000 scam. And all this money you are wasting, you know. Wama unkra ni risk kanisano. Yen yemetua ho kana. And if you don't have money, edientina u rush mama baf say when you akra mai. When you mayo. Na Akufo Adom kra dey sort na so 2022 ya no dey levy kreba. When you mai was me dey dumso levy ba Kwasia se me no omo ma Jimmy na NDC for no ma Jimmy no omo ya mo NDC ni bia support we bia uni twasere u kuro mu nsuo nkun free ase cause Akufo Adom did the same thing by we do Kwasia betena na abuafu Jomama Kwasia did the same thing about the ntina ndie wani beje we aboa Kwasia omani China for to Gh10m Jomama nua Ibrahim mama to Gh10m chama ikutu NDC chama to Gh10m omo sensu oti sa gold ni sika na Sami Jemfi aboa ne je no ono sise sika ni nyina nche ma akronfo agrada mo ne nanfofo ne ehewofo na Ghana ni na modi gold board no ba no nyamfa so bia na ofro ka so amusuma jiminti ka bi petrol ba ku bi obeto anga na obia no mo je $4 na free so 4 point something that I see this na free so and to 2 gallons mo je almost 100 cities na when I 10 cities na free so otherwise man Jimmy obviously Jack is your in-law Dabi tie me in-law sem ne yamfanto there is time for everything business side I mean, you say NDC for this still, your mama, me no grudge class still, me nyem ne ban Matthias. I understand. Me mo pese still me nyem your mama bana munya me ban ni diagro. I got you. But this is business time. There's time for everything. There's family time and there's business time. The omo ye no mo say kuro no e be critiam robbers about too much because number one, petrol na yemfa hwe levi bianto so no. Ghana fo ntimin to. Ghana fo ntimin to ade no. So and a Ghana fo ntimin to ade no. And a dollar no your mama na nka so de beto 4 na 3 o. O si aka 12 enko bio. Tie dia me kira no. O si aka 12 enko bio nti e camouflage. Na 12 ni Akufo-Addo ho de na the 13 ni 14 ni 15. Akufo-Addo de. What is the difference? Enti mama say ebeda 12 de a e chese ebesa ebeda 15 wa. Enti dollar ni ntime nkwa na wasa ayere petrol so say we jiminti na car no before say car move no ti say me car ya meti metimi say Ghana the ba before say car we start na here 18 gallons and start move be 30 minutes 18 gallons no besa enti e fele 40 gallons enti imagine say omo use heavy duty omo twi kasa kese ekokwan so ti say basis no omo be wie no ombe fele ka na your mama nko asika ombe 10 million mo am na ebetua ombe pia nyina agu passengers no so boy won tua bia on fro ka no enti GPLTU ne wan wifo no ombe ko strike na omo ko strike na se afi no omo a ye ne omo ka na omo babak a ka sika ye e bia 2 million to Accra no ebe ko 4 million na ko 4 million na anya driver ni na odi na bro eye nipa na okofro ka na odi na bro because na kati ayantum oje teacher ni na oje 10 million na no beje enti ebasa oye den ko fasika foforo he no fa mefro ka nko school no pa nko kira de oye nurse ni asasika na na oje onko fasika wo he na mefro mu Kwasiafo am Google Parliament amu afiafi mu nyina mu fro ka free mu nto petrol mu ntuahwe enti you don't understand what I'm talking about. Me my here for so many years with Ghana until I know how much it feels. Ghana need to one. I get Jimmy where Jimmy so end this in an MPP near no watch no obwa. Ghana need to one or survival on Bosia. No children no papa. And he said, oh, person on my ya. Ye bien numa near the tax a good human so. Tia Metrano. And yes, Kafo to say that's by Temoni Kwaku Timo Maye no. Omono Newman or my baby near the tax a guso. Because Omunu was Kabebre Ometmetria taxes, no. And 2 bar brochas and yano. Yanfa petrol tax in Guguso. Ye the good Belgate near Amazon almost because Omunu was scan more. And to Ometmetria near the scanner Korea here for Sani Yano to the Biacrononi Cronum. Wow. Ba say here ni na na wo kire na lala sulala o ye teacher ni o ye nurse ni na katua nso no ne makura wie school agi so ma bi tena fia na mpanimfo ndi ka wie ansa no wa start de ketwa na ko mpanimfo no a start ya adwuma beboaboa no mo hwe nketwa no enti sai ni pa no wow. Obi say Uber left a time when Kwasiato me car obi antena mu da o me mfa for obi a Jimmy wan so obi the BMW M car Uber da Kwasiato ni pakura dis we millionaire uni petrol M car fa Jimmy
na wadwe fuma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.